Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today's working project is that we are going to replace a cracked dashboard from a 1991 240sx S13, and the tools that we are going to be needing today is the 10mm wrench socket, 12mm wrench socket, socket extension, Phillips screwdriver head, flathead screwdriver, and also a electric drill to make our job easier. Okay, to start, we're gonna have to remove the center console and the 4 bolts to hold them, 2 on the driver's side and 2 on your passenger side. Me, because I have to cut out, I have this piece trimmed out for my hydraulic setup, but usually you have the handbrake here, so you know, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I don't think I have any of them. I might have one here with the driver's side. I'll start with passenger side. Hold it down. Okay, come out like this. Second, I'm gonna have to remove this base over here. This is very fragile. You know, just pop out like this. Also, you're gonna have like 2 bolts here that lock this center console. I have to remove that, and you know, this cable here. This one is the one that control the mirrors. Just pop it out. Like this. The other one, like that. All this you can put it on the side. And after we have to finish it out. Now, if you have a radio, you have 4 bolts. So this one, and 2 that hold another bracket. So you're gonna have to hold it out, you know, to remove the dashboard as well. And then you start removing this one. And also we're going to remove this bezel that hold the steering column, that covers it around. It's going to be 6 bolts, 2 here, 2 in the middle, and also 2 on the back. So I think I have only one. This one here. I don't have any. Actually, I don't have anything on, so just put this. Actually, I do have it here. Just gonna like this, and then we're gonna pull out this cover that hold the steering column with a 10mm wrench socket. There's 7 bolts. It's gonna be 1 over here on the back, 3 in the front, and 3 on the side. So I have only 2. This guy. Just like that. So this one's just pop out. This one's going to come out too. Alright, from here you might wanna drop down the steering column. You wanna pull this bezel out. Without pulling the steering column down, you won't be able to pull it down. So you don't want to force it, because this thing crack like cookie. They're very fragile, you know. You need a 12mm wrench socket now to access the steering column. 2 bolts, one on the left, one on the right. See it? Right here. With this one. There you go. And after, I guess you're gonna start pulling this thing out. This is my couple lights. Go ahead, man, this light's so easy. This is empty, nothing in here. Just be careful. This is very fragile as well. Hazard lights, temperature control. This is for my E-fan. I don't think you guys have it, so just put this in this. And this basically come out. And then the other one, now to pull out this bezel, you want to use these 2 bolts that hold it up. So I don't have this, so I just go ahead and pull it down. It's gonna come out by itself. Very simple. Just put a little pressure on it. And this is already cracked in the side just a little bit, but you don't want to be like, I seen like here, I seen like here, that people just force this thing out. So it's not good. There you go. Very simple. Now to pull this guy out, you might want to pull the column down. And also the steering a little bit. I think just come out like this by itself. Very easy. Now, if you have a broken or not function speedo, this is the right time to replace it. You know, because you don't want to go over all this stuff again. You know, you need a Philip head. 3 bolts that hold the speedo. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you want to put this back. There we go. So, 1, 2, 3. Disconnect the spindle. 2 connectors. 1, 2, and 3. 2 on the side. Need a 10mm wrench socket just to loosen up the dash. There's 2 bolts that hold the dash right here, right next to the speedo. So we need an extension. There we go. So 1 and 2. Cool. What else? And also these bezel here, they're very fragile. Just use a Phillips screwdriver. I mean, sorry, a flathead screwdriver. Just ply them out little by little, you know, because they crack very easily. So yeah. There's 2 bolts here, 3 bolts. to hold the dashboard in place. One. Two. And there's another one over there that we're gonna go over now. That's pretty much for the driver's side. We're gonna go and work on the passenger side now. So to take out the dashboard, you need to pull out the glove box. So I have to delete it because I have the ECU right here. You know, I relocated the ECU because it's taking place when I was training the Ford plant. So you know, have a little rust with it as well. So anyway, you need a 10mm. You're gonna drop the to pull out the drop box. I mean the glove box. You need a Phillips screwdriver. Okay. Here, these two bolts that hold the box in place that you might wanna take out first. And this one, once you pull this guy out, you'll be able to access this bolt here that is connected to the dashboard. But if you have it out, you can just use 10M and just pull this guy out. One. Two. And just come out like that. And also there's another bolt here that's hold the dash in place, so I don't have it. So now it's time to access the ones on the top. This one as well is right behind the air conditioner bases. That's pretty much. I think the dash is simple. You might want to play with that a little, before it come out sometimes. But this is already done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this guy here, the AC unit. Another trick is like, just to give you extra space here, like you need to pull out. You don't need to pull out the radio, but make sure that you push this, like the radio and the air conditioning console, as back as you can, because you need space right here, to flip the dashboard out. I need to remove not remove it, it's my hydraulic hamper. Back, and that's pretty much. I think the dash is ready to come out. Just a little fighting issue here, Just lift this up, it's right here. There we go. What was that? I don't know. It's already broken, but just don't want to break it more. Might be able to fix it. is kind of annoying now. Go dash out. Like dash. Alright, I guess it's time to like clean it if you guys want. But I'm not gonna do it, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the mini dash back. It's not new, but it's better than the other one. This no problem. Should have all this wiring here. Put the bolts on. Good. the air conditioner tube, so you might want to connect it. I don't have air conditioning in this car, but it'll have heat. So. Oh no. Oh no. It's right there. You know what? Let's do the top one first. This and the size. So now it's time to put the speedo back on. You can push. Plug on the side. Just follow the we got three bolts to hold the speedo on in place. After is top first and the bottom. Very simple. Just get this connector. This is for the lights. This is for the hazard. And this temperature controller. This is set. good. Move this one up a little bit. Let's set the steering column back up. This one is called the middle range socket. Extension. So you might want to hold the steering column back. Good. Okay. Now it's time to put this light switch and switch back on. Make sure that they're working. Pretty much. From there, you want to put this basil back on. This one down the bottom. You see, this is the 6-bolt that was plugged in. 1, 2 in the back, and 4 in the front. Over there. Okay. Oh, the steering column. So you might want to put the lower the steering column a little bit so you can have access to the basil. A little bit this one. Right in. This. Good. Calm down again. Go. Simple. Again. Okay, let's tighten up the bottom now. Put the pen in. I'm just gonna put one because I think I might need to reopen it and put some other stuff. Do the passenger side now. guys, so we just replaced the broken dash, you know, with the new dash. This concludes this video. If you have any questions, just write down in the comments. Shoot me a text or anything, you know, I'll be more than happy to answer you. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a wonderful day.